Hello friends of the National Soaring Museum. Here's my video on how to make fold paper airplanes for fun and enjoyment.
So how are we going to do this paper airplane? What are the material we need? It's very simple. All you need is just a piece of paper, ruler, scissors, and knife, and scotch tape, and that's it. Alright, let me show you. There are several kinds of the paper airplane. What I create and some I learned, but the first one I do, this one is called the diamond stabilizer. I think it's very good. You can look at the back of the airplane. It's look like a diamond, but it serves its stabilization as elevator, okay, and also shows that it was stable, the directions. Okay, now when it flies, it's guaranteed it's going to fly this way. I think the shape is kind of interesting. The second one I'm going to present is this. This is one piece of paper. I designed this in 1978, so it's really nothing serious or nothing new for me, but I think I will present this to you as according to the theory of the regular glider. So you can tell this airplane has almost like a regular airplane, but it also has the main wing, rudder, elevator, and and aileron. So it also, you can tell there are several points, and this is for the measurement. So in this case, we have accomplished the basic glider's principle. See this? You can tell front and the back are balanced. This is exactly in the front third of its center of the gravity. So with these two ailerons and the stabilizer and the rudder, you can control this. I had to say my past glory. In 1978, I entered the Cleveland Engineer Society for paper airplane contest. This was the #1 prize, but this is just for fun. And the third one is this traditional delta wing. This is very stable. I learned this when I was in the childhood. My parents taught me. Okay, now let's start from the diamond stabilizer.